Can you remember the first broadcast you ever made?
Welcome back to Third Phase of Moon. Blake Cousins, we've got the special report for you tonight. I'm here with my twin brother, Brent, and we're going to be going over the incredible videos just sent to Third Phase of Moon. What the heck are we looking at right now? We're watching a commercial airliner in close proximity to some unknown object. Was this a near collision in midair? Something needs to be told to the public with regards to what we're looking at. We don't have the answers. We've got the video and a close-up enhanced still photograph of the event, and right now we can't explain to you what we're looking at. Brent, what's your thoughts here?
It's pretty badass right here. What we're looking at is breaking news, just came in, and we're looking at this thing. This is a good close-up. What we're looking at is something that's not conventional. It doesn't match anything that we could recognize in the sky as one of ours. This looks something otherworldly, maybe something from the Space Force, new technology. We just don't know what it is. Look how it just stalls up there and how close a commercial airliner gets to this object. Still gonna throw it out there. We still don't know the distance between the distance between these objects, but it seems like they're pretty close from what I'm looking at here. Again, we're not seeing any wings on this object. Nothing's keeping this up in the air. We don't see any propulsion like we see with the commercial airliner. We're looking at something very unusual. We can see it go right behind the line right there. What we're looking at is a real deal, Blake.
Absolutely. This is incredible footage. As Brent just stated moments ago, we're looking at the phenomenon. That's what we do best right here at Third Phase of Moon. Guys, I want to get your opinions. What are we looking at? Brent suggested maybe Space Force or some kind of new technology, or is this something maybe otherworldly? As I get a closer look in this still photograph, again, I'm not seeing any propulsion here. In this moment of time to get this capture of this stationary craft as a commercial jet airliner leaves it in its wake, and this thing's just hanging up there. I'd have to say, again, we can't make out the exact proximity to the commercial airliner, but it seems that it is in focus on both objects pretty much at the same altitude. So I would have to estimate that this thing has to be at least 30 to 40 feet in length. And again, we're seeing this close encounter, this close near collision with the commercial airliner. This is blowing me away. Where is the major media right now talking about this? All right, we've got more videos coming into Third Phase of Moon, but before we get to those, I just wanted to let you know we're going to be also having Michael Schratt, military historian, tell us about some of these crash retrievals, and it's coming up in this episode. But right now, take a look at this. We're looking at this, and again, I'm kind of blown away on the evidence coming in tonight. Multiple cameras, sky watchers, are capturing the phenomenon, two different angles. This thing's just zipping by at extraordinary rates of speeds, and at this moment, the unknown is right in front of us. But the question is, what the heck is it? We're playing it back and forth. We're doing some enhancements here. Sky watchers, Carlos is doing some really good work. Capturing the phenomenon across his territory. Brent, your thoughts?
Yeah, there's two things I see here. We're seeing the light source, whatever object this is, appear from behind the mountain itself, which is pretty incredible. It shows scale and size. Is this time lapse? I'm not sure. But right now we can see it, another one come right behind the tree as well. Again, giving kind of a dimension and scale to what this object is. We don't know what the phenomenon is going on right here, but it is special enough to share it on Third Phase Moon and share it with all you right now.
It's kind of crazy. We're looking at this, and it almost seems that there's two orbs that split off each other when we do this enhancements. Let me do this once more. If you look closely, there's in this one angle. Let's watch for it. So it's super quick, but here it comes. There it is. A split second, two lights split off of this thing, and one of them goes into opposite direction. Incredible footage. Let's get to more UFO videos just into third phase. Check this out. This video lasts for approximately 2 minutes. We're just gonna let it roll. I'm gonna go back and forth to some close-ups and the original footage. Just let's roll it right now. Guys, leave your comments. What the heck are we looking at? Some unknown cigar-shaped craft just hovering there. But as we watch it, you're gonna see, just watch. By the way, we've got Paul Barrett back, our Third Phase of Moon music guy. He's bringing the tunes as we're watching the phenomenon right now. But look at this very closely. This is where it gets very unusual. This thing starts to expand, and then all of a sudden it kind of just morphs into nothing. Just watch this. It only lasts for a few moments. Incredible. All right, guys, I'm looking at this. That just blows my mind. Did you see what just happened before our eyes? I'm going to do a little bit of enhancement, but at the moment, this thing was there and now it's not. And again, no manipulation. This is legitimate video coming into Third Phase Moon. No CGI. This is legitimate stuff. But look, as I enhance this footage and speed it up about, I don't know, I think I did about 400% speeding this thing up just to last for about 9 seconds. Did you see this thing morph? Look at this, Brent.
Dang, dude, that's pretty awesome. You can see it it looks like a huge pencil in the sky, and then it tilted on its axis, and it looked like it just shot out of the atmosphere. Pretty incredible, especially when you're looking at the forward speed on it. It gives kind of the motion of how this thing's moving. Here it is in normal motion right here, and again, you can see kind of a tip at the very left point of this object. And this is pretty phenomenal. How big is this thing? I'll take a guess. I'm saying about 40 to 50 feet, maybe even 100. It's hard to tell, but again, you can see it right now tilt. If that's what it's doing, I'm not sure. Is this like just like morphing into a point and then disappearing? What's your opinion, people?
Yeah, that's a question. Is it tilting or is it just basically dematerializing? It's just very bizarre video. And again, when I enhance it, you can see it descend and then just kind of just almost like take off out of sight. Incredible footage just into Third Phase Moon. That's what we're here for. If you're capturing the phenomenon, we're the source to share it to the world. But as we're looking at this once again, guys, I want to get your opinion as we're doing this live drop right now. We just dropped this to everybody. We didn't even want to do a live premiere. We just wanted to get this out right away, just so you guys could take a look at this and spread the word. We're going to be sharing the original link in the description. Share it on the social media. We need more people talking about the recent sightings, not what you're not seeing on the major media. We're showcasing with you the footage, and right now, again, I'm not seeing any kind of means of propulsion. This thing's just kind of hanging there, and then it just disappears into this little small point and almost just fade out of sight here. Let's see. Just at the very end, the cameraman might have not seen it on the eye, but again, as we're speeding this up, you see the extraordinary maneuver that this object made. It began as kind of a short cylindrical cigar-shaped object and then expanded in and out and then took off. This is classic UFO footage here.
Yeah, Blake, we've been seeing these kind of sightings over a decade or longer. here at Third Phase Moon, and they've been seen since biblical times. They've been around for thousands of years, and we're looking at the phenomenon right here. We just don't know what it is. This is pretty exciting stuff right here.
Everybody, be safe, keep your eyes on the skies, and don't hesitate to contact us. Our email is in the description.